Last Christmas I showed you how to sketch. So today we're just gonna do a guided loft. Go ahead and follow through those guides and select that final edge, and then we have our little cone shaped piece for the head. Next we're gonna make the ball, which is just a revolve tool. Make sure you have that sketch with the line through it in the middle, and then for the final piece we just extrude it upwards, and then we finish it up with a fillet. And usually we don't do this in the beginning, but again, because we already know what we're doing, it's fine for this project specifically. And then we're just gonna hide all the sketches and stuff we don't need, and we're gonna go ahead and shell it. Just do like 5 millimeters, looks like a nice thickness. And then we're gonna union the pieces, and after that we're gonna also union this piece. And the reason is because now we have to kind of swipe our way in, so we have that hidden face, and we're going to extrude it down. So sometimes it can be tricky, but if you just go to a specific place and then you swipe your finger, you can get to the center. So now we're just going to finish up by filleting it to make it look a little bit better, and then visualize, because we want our red and white. So I already chose the textures so I can make a quick video for you guys. And we're just going to choose the faces on the project that we want, and we're going to choose the white texture to make it look like a santee. Alright, and then just finish up the ball, and I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys were enjoying following along, and my song in the beginning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.